Okay, today we're doing a special presentation about how to save money on your maintenance and repair tasks around your house or at your business. HVAC can be one of the largest utility costs in your home or business. Simple things like change your HVAC filters every 2 months yourself. Don't buy the expensive high efficiency filters. Buy the less expensive filters, like around a MERV 8 rating is plenty good. Why? Well, the high efficiency filters are restrictive even when they're brand new. And for a lot of the newer high efficiency furnaces, for example, that can cause airflow problems and cause your furnace to shut down, because when you restrict the airflow too much through a dirty filter or a high efficiency filter, it can cause switches not to close that are supposed to close when they see adequate airflow. It can cause your coil to freeze up when it's in air conditioning mode, etc. Also consider buying filters in bulk instead of one at a time. I buy mine in bulk from Walmart.com. They come in a box shipped directly to my house, and it's cheaper per filter to do it that way than to go and buy one filter at a time as you need it. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not a paid promotion for any vendor, make, model, brand, or product you see in this video. Another thing you can do is turn your thermostat temperature down in the wintertime a few degrees and up a few degrees in the summertime. This will cause your system to kick on less often and run for less time, thus saving you money on your utility bill. You can also upgrade to a smart thermostat. Some municipalities even offer some rebates if you do so. HVAC money saving tips. Clean your HVAC evaporator coil, condenser coil outside. If you have a dehumidifier, you want to clean that coil as well. I like this no rinse formula, works great. Inspect and clean out your condensate drain line, including the P-trap too. Is your HVAC system not working? Well, check your thermostat batteries. Are they dead? With the power off, check the fuse on the control board inside the air handler. There's usually a 3 or 5 amp blade fuse. Check for a tripped circuit breaker at your panel. Do you have a bad capacitor, a bad contactor, a bad motor? Plumbing money-saving tips. Turn your water heater thermostat down a few degrees. Wrap an insulating water heater blanket around your water heater if it is in a cold space. Just do not block the bottom few inches of the water heater because that's where the air comes into the combustion chamber, so you don't want to block off those openings. And also at the top of the water heater, keep the insulation away from any of the hot exhaust pipes. Check your water meter. With all water fixtures off, does the water meter still spin? If it does, that would indicate you have a leak somewhere. That water meter should not spin with all your water fixtures off.
Wow.
Check for slow water leaks at all of your plumbing fixtures inside and outside. Do you have a running toilet? Dripping faucet? Many times you turn the water off, you can remove the cartridge or the seats and springs out of that faucet, take them to your local home center, match them up, and replace them yourself.
Woo!
If you have a running toilet, you can install a new flush valve or fill valve yourself. Again, buy the kit at your local home center, turn the water off first. You can watch a YouTube video. I have those videos on my channel that show you how to do those kind of things. You can insulate all of your exposed water pipes. It's easy and inexpensive. For a 6-foot foam pipe insulation, you can see it costs $1.78. And they come in different diameters, 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1 inch, etc.
Wow.
Structural money saving tips. You see here, we have a gap at this penetration where the drain waste vent pipe goes through the wall. Check all your building penetrations and seal any large gaps with expanding foam, silicone sealant, an escutcheon plate, etc. Check all window and door seals, including garage doors. You can go to your local home center and replace door seals, window seals, etc., and help keep out drafts, again, to keep your HVAC system from kicking on as often or running as often to save you money. Close window blinds or curtains to keep out the hot summer sun and help reduce the amount of time your air conditioner has to run. Or install blackout curtains, storm windows, or window inserts. Money-saving tips continued. Close doors, blinds, and HVAC registers to empty rooms or rooms not being used. Electrical money-saving tips. Reduce the number of light bulbs used in all of your light fixtures. Use only LEDs only, no incandescent or CFLs. Install motion sensor switches or timer switches. Turn lights and electronics off when not in the room using them. Landscape money-saving tips. Get rid of water-intensive grass and plants and instead go for drought-tolerant landscaping, like decorative river rock or the fake turf. Adjust your sprinkler timer to run less often. If rain is in the forecast, turn off your sprinkler system for that day. Do your own landscaping instead of paying someone. And some bonus money-saving tips. Shop around your utility companies. If you have more than one internet provider, for example, see who has the better deal. Shop around your insurance provider. Bundle car and homeowners insurance. Cancel subscriptions you no longer use. If an appliance breaks or stops working, determine if it is something you feel comfortable fixing yourself. If you have to hire an outside company to fix it for you, get at least 3 different quotes from 3 different companies. Don't just go with the first company you see or the cheapest company. Do your own oil changes on your vehicle if you feel comfortable doing so. Install low-flow, water-wise plumbing fixtures. So if you have to replace a toilet, remodeling your bathroom, kitchen, etc., think about that. They use less water. Shop around your bank. If you go with the standard brick and mortar bank, they may charge you service fees, hidden fees, etc. You may want to switch to a local credit union or an online-only bank. Pay off high-interest debt as soon as possible. So high-interest debt being like student loans, credit cards, etc. Pay yourself first. So 401k, especially if your employer has a matching 401k plan, that's like free money. You really want to take advantage of that. Or you can open up your own IRA or brokerage account through some of the big players like Fidelity or Schwab, etc. You can open up a high interest earning online savings account. For example, Ally right now, you can get 3.75% with their online savings account. Woo! I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.